Today I'm going to talk one of the very basic concept in the Java. You can say string, and you can say every application. Whatever the applications we are developing using the Java language, string is a kind of concept or a class are heavily used. You can say one of the most important or heavily used class in the Java known as a string. Okay, so we're going to talk very basic about a string. I think you know everything about the string, but I'm going to talk little bit very basics because this directly, indirectly, always our Java developer are going to use the string. So we're going to think, be carefully what are the uh, characteristics of this string in the Java application. So this concept string is not the new things. If you come from the different programming language, maybe come from the C, C++, another programming language. Okay, uh, if you come similarly in the Java, Java is kind of a hybrid programming language. They support the our primitive data types, plus also support the object-oriented concept. Okay, so the many other programming language like a string is the kind of array of characters. So here you can say character. Character can be any symbol that is in A or B or C. These are the character, or maybe one, or maybe two, maybe three. Characters are the symbol that's written in the single quote. Okay, so if you talk string, the many programming language consider as a kind of a primitive array of character, but this is not the case in the Java. Java string is not a array of character. Then what we're going to talk? Let's. So as mentioned, an array of character is not a string in Java. So in Java, a string is a kind of a class. A string is a class, and the class you can create the object. So here, sometime you can say string is an object or instance of a string class. This have a some property. One is this string is immutable and its content never change. This is the two more quality. If you create any string in the Java, that is must be immutable. That means you cannot modify them. You cannot change them. Okay. And if you talk about an array of character, if you're creating any array of characters, so here array of character, that is a mutable elements. So in other programming language and Java programming language, array of character also support a Java, but it is not an string. So let's talk about here. So if you can say here characters array, okay. So here notice this is the array of character. So in Java, array of character is itself a simply array of character, nothing else. But this content A, B, C, you can modify, you can change. You print here arrays to string and char. Okay. So if you print here, you notice This is the ABC. But this is can be modified, can be changed. Here you can say cache of one position equal to x. And after that you can print, you notice that your characters of array can be changed. That the actual content when you create the array of character later can be modified. This is known as a strings are immutables and array of characters are the mutable. So question is that what is a string? So we're going to talk more detail, but string is the first in a Java is the class. Okay, and same thing you can define like here. Same thing you can define. So string is not a you can say array of character, but instead you can declare any character in the double quote. Whenever you say double quote, inside you can pass any characters that can be a repetition of or instance of your string class. So Java, if you look here, this is the class. In the Java, string is a class that we're going to talk. There are multiple features that is the serializable, that can be comparable, that is the character sequence. So sometimes you can say string is a sequence of character as well. This is also one of the definition, sequence of character as well. Right? So let's talk. So here you can say a string is the mutable. Are immutable. Strings are the immutable and array of character is the mutable. So let's talk here example. Can I change the value if we print string? Is it possible we can change the value? Let's say a string have some classes, maybe like concat. Let's concat. You can append like xyz. If you again print, then you notice abc is still abc. Okay, this abc is not, we're going to talk more about detail, but let's understand they support immutability. Means once a string created, you cannot modify them. Okay, we're going to talk more detail about that. So as of now, very simple thumb rule in this Java, array of character is a not a string. Array of character is not a string. What is this? Instance of a class string, or you can say sequence of character is a call as a string, or you can say sequence of Unicode points. So actual definition in the as of now today in the Java, a string can be represent sequence of Unicode point. Sequence of Unicode. The first question, what is the Unicode? Okay, so if you have learned Java, older version of Java like Java 4, 5, 6, 7, that time might be the we learn Java string a sequence of character as well. The sequence of character till I think Java 19. Before Java 9, string is also represented as a sequence of array of character, okay, array of character. But after 9, Java community always try to evolve his API. So Java 9 and after that they have decided they are going to define a string as a sequence of Unicode. So what is the Unicode? Let's talk. This is a very basic. They You are not directly going to use the Unicode or code point concept, but as a senior or a junior or initial developer, if you know the concept, what is the Unicode, that give you the confidence right now. So let's talk a little bit about the what is the Unicode. What is the Unicode points? So Unicode point is the unique number assigned to every character in the Unicode standard. So question is that here mention every character. So what do you mean by every character? Or you can say every symbol. Generally symbol, that means in the different language like English language, Hindi language, Punjabi language, Urdu language, Latin language, lots of language. Each language have a different kind of letters or character to write those symbol. Hindi have a different characters and symbol. English have a different character. Math have a different. So for every characters, this is the Unicode standard. Means given one unique number, that unique number is known as a Unicode point. The Unicode point is unique numbers. That's one of the Unicode standards is given to every character in the words. Okay, so even a single characters, regardless of any language or any script. So might be okay, what is the language? What is the script? Language, that's we are spoken English language, Hindi language, Punjabi language, Nepali language, Japanese language, Chinese language. These are the different language. So for the building any language, you are going to speak those language, or even you are going to write those language or read those language. For reading, writing, we need a symbol, we need a characters like alphabet. You can say Latin or Roman, the letter A, B, C. These are the, you can say, script or symbol. So generally, if any language you are going to write, so for writing we need a one script. That is a script known as a symbol, how the particular letters or character you are going to write for the particular language. If let's talk about the whatever this language written U N I C O D, all are these letters are characters. Also consider this a symbol for the Roman script. So this the language we are talking in English, that is considered as a Roman script or Latin script. The Latin script have a defined 26 letter the way you are writing English. Similarly, talk about the Hindi language. Hindi language have some different kind of letters, a different symbol. So those symbols are different. So you can say for every programming or every general language, for writing, we need a kind of a script. The script is the symbol, the letter, the way that the language is going to write. So whenever in the computer system, nowadays computers are heavily used in the different language culture. So our computer can be able to understand the different language, not just English. They can understand Hindi, they can understand Farsi, Japanese, Chinese. So for that, there are different kind of a script. That means script is different symbol, letter that are used to write the particular language. Right? So Unicode is the standard unique number for every symbol or letters or a script. Maybe for the Latin alphabets, this is the A. But in the standard Unicode, this is the plus 41. Maybe in Hindi, you talk about A. In the standard Unicode, this is number 905. Maybe some symbol, maybe some different kind of symbol. So you can say Unicode standards is defined very unique number for each and every symbols that's come from the different script, maybe Latin script, Roman script, that is this is Hindi known as a Devanagari script. So the huge list of scripts, and each scripts, or you can say in Hindi, lipi, lots of symbols. So question is that if our computer programming language is going to support all the human language, then this Unicode code point is very, very important. Before initial days of computer, maybe only English language you support. But nowadays, our popularity of computer mobile is so huge, so our computers, our system can understand each and every script symbols or lines. For those scenario, you can say use the Unicode point. So due to that, Java also decided they are going to support not just symbol English language or English alphabet, English, that means Latin alphabet. No, they support every languages or the script. Due to that, Java string also say, hey, you can define string can be represent the sequence of Unicode point. Our Unicode can be A, can be symbol, can be anything. So the code point is then an abstract representation of character. So in short, if you let's even you can look this website. These are the standard Unicode. Okay, so this is the Unicode. You can say the Unicode standards is the character encoding. They are defining the unique for almost notice the 1554 characters. So as of now, this Unicode standards have a given unique number for 154,998 characters. And if you talk about the script, 168 script. A script means the letter that's use the different programming language or the build the different languages. Okay, so if you want to more detail, can read out everything here mentioned all the 168 script which I'm talking. Notice this is the symbol, different programming language, different type of symbol. This symbol known as your scripts, right? So these are the different script. If you read here, notice these are different script, and for the different codes are assigned. If you talk about the Latin, okay, so notice here Unicodes are defined for Latin, support English, French, German, Italian, different Latin's language are, okay. Okay, so these are the Latin's kind of language that's have a defined. If you want to more detail, here you can so this is the Latin. All this symbol A, B, C, D, F, G, everything this is under Latin. Similarly, if you talk about like, here Hindi, the Hindi is the known as a Devanagari Lipi. If you so search here Devanagari Lipi. This is a symbol. This is a symbol you can use like ka, kha, ga, gha, different language. So these are the symbol used to write the Hindi language. So this is known as a script. So a script is used to develop or write the particular language, maybe Hindi language, English language, Urdu language, Farsi language, German language. So this is the later a symbol or a script. In our computer programming, we just say character. So in this world, every language, what kind of symbol are characters? So Unicode just map the unique number for every character. Okay, so that our computer system can easily support all the programming languages. So be clear, our programming language are going to not just support the Latin scripts or English alphabet. Purpose of this Unicode or language is that the script is the collections of letter or symbol. A letter or symbol, that's a letter part we can write. So for writing any information, different kind of scripts are in. The script means symbol or character. So Unicode given the unique number to the every character so that those can be written in. Okay, so like for example, Latin script is for the English, like a different in Turkish there are Arabic script, Devanagari script, different kind of script. So in short, you can say scripts are the symbol, or you can say Unicode control characters. Okay, so I'm not going to talk more detail, but this is a very uh, good information that our Java programming language is going to support or can handle any language or any script due to that the Unicode point. Okay, that's good. So whenever we talk about the Unicode, so next terminology are used about the code point. So finally, nowadays in our world, 100 more than 150 is the script. That means the different the language which are written different language, maybe Hindi, English, Chinese, French, Japanese. Each language have a different letter or character or symbol to write, like different. So all these letter are characters we are that means Unicode standard given one unique number. That's great. So every unique number. Second point, let's for each letter, for each symbol in the world, that can be form of written. Means ki, whatever the things in the words are, we are going to writing. For writing, whatever the symbol or characters they are using, Unicode character given a unique number. Unique number. And now next question, in the computer we are going to store them. So how the actually the once we are going to store in a computer, what are the actual storage unit? That's represent the code point in the memory. So whenever we talk about the memory perspective, whenever we are going to store these characters in the memory, that is known as a code point. So Java use the UTF-86 encoding. I'm going to talk what is the UTF and what is my sixth encoding. But as of now, you can understand uh, Java support almost all the common characters like everything, even the some supplementary symbol, character, emoji, everything Java can support. Okay, so the unique code and unique points. So these, if you understand both unique code unit and code point and Unicode, these are rounds. Okay, so one is the code point, one is the code unit. Units are used to write in the computer memory. Code points are given to, here is the code point. Okay. So this is the code point. Like a, this is the character means script you can say, or symbol, or anything that can be written in this words. So whatever the character, that character is map, uniquely map, uniquely mapped to the one unique number. That is known as a code point. So whatever the symbol, dollar symbol, rupee symbol, character symbol, Farsi symbol, Chinese symbol, whatever near about, notice we discuss 115,000 something characters. For all characters, we are given some unique number. We are given unique number. This is the Unicode standard. Okay, but whenever now we are going to map to the computer, then we need a memory code. So that's we represent the like this way. This is the way we are going to use the code point. Okay, the code point is the unique number, and code unit is the representation of the that character can be written in our memory. Okay, and so code point, in short, code point is the for abstract characters, whatever the character in this overall the written system. If you talk about the Java, can be Java type integer, character, anything, and Unicode is the character. So if this is the integer, like this is the number, and this is the way you can write the character. So here code point is the just abstract unique number that is written in the Java integer, and code point is the storage unit. Storage unit. This is the format of your UTF-16.8. We're going to talk. This is a representation in the Java is as a unsigned characters U and then something number. So Java use this Unicode points concept. So Java strings are the sequence of Unicode points. Now it's clear what do you mean by sequence of Unicode point. Why design? Because Java can represent any character from the any language. This is the key point. Due to that, Java internally store string using the UTF-16 A16 encoding. So what is the character encoding? Let's talk a little bit, but now it's clear why Java is defining the string as a sequence of Unicode, because Java want to map to work any character, any symbol across any language, not just English, not just Hindi, Urdu, Farsi, Chinese, Japanese, any different language. So nowadays, let's we are developing a software. Our software can support any languages. So due to that, Java define our string object as a sequence of Unicode character. And any code character we can easily map in our Unicode characters. If you let's talk here, look here. So notice character encoding. Character encoding convert convention of numeric value represent each character of the writing script. So in this case, whatever the writing script or the character available, we are going to support how we can map write in a particular ASCII value or different way. So if you be carefully go and read out detail here, and you will find couple of representation here. I'm going to talk a little bit, but you know all the code unit that means now we are going to store in the computer. So whenever you're going to store in the computer, you need to encode them in as per the computer science. So whenever we are going to store information, computer information is stored in the form of bit, maybe 7-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit. So according to the symbol size representation, we have decided different format. Maybe generally, if you start studying the any programming language, we are generally talk about the ASCII, American Standard Code for Interchange Information. That we have defined this. But this information can be written in 7-bit, but some information can be required 8-bit or 60-bit or 32-bit. So due to that, Java support UTF-86 encoding, so that they can almost support larger bit of information. You can encode any kind of symbol, character, you can easily encode it in. So Java support almost, notice the 1,112,064 valid code points. Lots of symbol character you can support in this Java language. Okay, so the overall encoding stand for we are Java going to support larger base. So these are the some mostly you can say code pointer. So character encoding is a system that's map character to the number. So first things, notice for all the symbol, this is a symbol. So first we have a map to the your integer number, that is known as a Unicode number. From this number we have to map the character. So map the character to the numbers, that is on the code point, and then store those number to the byte. So now, first things, we have a symbol converted to we have a character, a symbol converted to the number. Okay. Now this number we are going to store in the computer. So computer required as a byte. Or you want to store the memory or store the file. Finally, in a computer system, we require the byte. So depend upon the which symbol you are going to write, we have to follow the different formatting, like ASCII, American Standard Code for the information interchange. That's require only 7-bit kind of. ISO 8859 series, UTF-8. This means only 8-bit kind of. UTF-16, 18-bit. UTF-32, 32-bit. 2 bytes, and these are the kind of separate encoding you have available. So depend upon what kind of information. If you are developing application that's required only work on English character, that's very sufficient. 7-bit ASCII conversion is very good. You can say sufficient for your application. But your application is going to support multiple language, multiple symbol. That might be not sufficient for that scenario. Okay, so if you talk about this is standard encoding. So whenever sometime you can say string encoding decoding, that means these are the some standard. Maybe ASCII just required only 1 byte for character, and they support Unicode. They are not support Unicode. This is just fit for the only English language. But you go UTF-8, they are support 1 to 4 byte, and they can support Unicode. And even if you are going to English, are all the website you are writing content, images, that's sufficient. But here UTF-16 can we go with a 2 to 4 byte character, and they support Unicode. Yes, they are support of all the ASCII scripts. That means we written a symbol. And if you go to 32-bit, that means they require the 4 byte per character. They also support kind of a Unicode edition. If you want to all kind of script, whatever the script in this world, then you can go with the UTF-32. So as of now, you can say Java UTF-60 on UTF-16, that's used in the Java. You see that's almost support millions of character you can easily display on the web or mobile on any character. So these are all kind of encoding. Depend upon mostly nowadays are more famous about these three, UTF-8, 16, and 32. Java supports 16. So now it's clear why you use the character encoding, because Java support multi-language. Okay, so all language have a different symbol, different symbol. Okay, different symbol, different symbol. So these symbol we can map to the Unicode point, a specific unique number, unique number. Now this unique number you want to store in the memory or file or computer, then you require the byte size. So this is the code unit, and this is your code point. And this is the character encoding which help us to decide which the string we are or character we are going to store in the computer, right? So these are very simple about the string. So now understand in the Java, a string is nothing. You can say kind of a 0 or more character enclosed in the double quote. So in the Java defined key, let's write double quote. Here you can write any symbol, any character. That means near about millions of characters in the Java support you can write. Whenever you write in double quote, that can consider as a string literal. So in the Java, whatever the content you are writing in the double quote, that is considered as a string literal. Whenever this string literal you are assigning to the variable, that variable must be types of your string class instead of string class. So here string literal is the reference to an instance of a class string. So here, if notice, this is the double quote, this is the string literal. So whenever you write this is the string literal. You are going to refer use this string literal by the str variable. This variable must be types of a class string. In a Java, whatever you writing in double quote, or Java also writing in the triple quote, whatever written in the formatted string and triple quote, this is considered as a string type. So in Java, this is known as a text block, and this is simple string literal. String literal. Both string literals or text block is considered as a instance of string class. Okay, so clear. And this string, this literal is a zero or more character. Character. A character can be any symbol on from the script. Scripts are used to writing script. Means any language which you are writing, for writing you require some symbol, characters. Those characters understand as a characters or symbol. That is, or you can say scripts. So almost 160 script in this world, and each script have a different symbol, different languages, different way of writing letters. So every letter you can in the Java programming language we talk about as a character. So be clear, character here, character is just only one symbol. This is the one character like a jet. And if you write a string, whenever writing a double quote and writing the same, this become a string. Okay. So finally, we understand the string literals are generally this string literal. That means key whatever written inside a double quote, maybe zero or more character, or generally just say string. Sometime instead of saying string literal, but these are going to refer by the variable that is a string. So due to that, you can say string are the value of constant expression. So one thing, whatever inside the double quote you are written as a string, that is also considered as a constant or immutable. And this is the constant, this is immutable. That means these are the shared unique instances, and that can be shareable. So if the particular string that's are immutable, unchangeable, that means this string can be used share with any instances. Okay, so string are the first things, they are written in the maybe zero or more characters in the double quotes or triple quote you can say. And this is known as string literals. And once string literals are referred by the variable, whenever you can assign to the any variable, that variable must be types of the string class. Means this is the instance of a string class. So this is the content string literal, whatever the content you written inside double quote. This is the property. This is the unmodifiable. Never can change once the string initialize. And if this is the you can say constant indirectly. If this is the constant, that can be shareable. Okay. So let's look some example. Okay. So here let us look the example. Okay. So let's look the example. Here the examples represent like this way. We have a one test package. Let's create the test package. I can create here one test package. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is a class. So wrong. Let's let's create a package. You can create the package. This is the test package. And let's create one another package. We have created two packages. other package. Why I'm creating a class? First, let's a package. No. Right click new package. So I created two packages. Package in a Java considered a folder where related classes are going to do. Why I'm writing a two packages? So in this package, just create one class, another class. I created one class here, Java class, okay, and this is a simple one variable. Okay. Here created one variable. This is the string hello code. This is literals. Whenever I assign this is string. Okay, that's one. And let's write the one class test. In this package, you write a class test, and you write another class other. You have also written a other. There are two classes. In other class also have one variables. Let's just say a string, and let us write a rule. So here in the other class, let us write main method. Okay, and yes. So here we can declare the two variable. One, just semicolon. So here we can declare one variable string double quote LO low. And if you compare hello double equal to hello, these hello and both are the equal or not equal, they are good. So similarly, we have written some more code. Okay. Okay. Let's read. Okay. So here the couple of example here written, like one is if this is a, so one thing let's talk. So whenever we are going to create any string literal, this is a string literal. Okay. So Java, we're going to talk Java are going to store. Notice whenever you are creating any string, they are going to store in the memory. Okay. So generally Java have a two kind of memory. One is the your heap memory, one your heap memory. Another is known as a method area memory. Method area, or you can say pool memory for string pool memory. So one is the heap memory, one is the pool memory. So whenever you are creating any literals hello, they are going to store in the pool memory. They are in a pool memory hello. Okay. So if you assign hello variable, so hello variable, they are pointing to this hello variable pointing to this hello. And you can say hello double equal to this hello. So whenever again you are creating this string literal hello, so they are going to also store in this pool memory. So pool memory have a one feature, they support unique string. They support unique. That means if one hello already here, they are not going to create another hello for you. That means this hello also the same and this also the same. That means this hello, whatever this hello, both are equal. Yes, both are pointing to the same reference. So double equal to operator are going to check where the particular strings are stored in the memory. So here in a pool memory, both are stored. So both look like it considered as true. Okay, so here say we have another class. And so notice, so we have another class hello. This is also, this is a hello. So we have a test class, and the same test we have other class hello. So this is also hello. They are also going to store in the heap. So they are also going to store in a heap. Already heap have the same references also here on. So what is the scenario happen? Let's run. So notice here they are at. So what I am trying to convey here. So for string, there are kind of spatial memory that is known as your pool memory. That is known as your pool memory. Pool memory, or you can say unique and constant. Unique and constant. Immutable, you can say. So this hello, if already available in this pool memory, hello, so they are referred to this hello refer also to the thing. If even another package, this is also referred to the same history. So you can say other package, hello variable, both are the referring to the same. Even another package also have a string, the hello variable. So this already in the pool, those this variable also refer to the same hello, this also refer to the same hello. So all these variables are considered as a true. Now go to the second here. This is the hello, and now you are creating hell plus low. What is hell means? Again, one is variable going to create hell here, string pool. Low variable also going to create. Low variable also going to create. But if you combine, they can create hello. Hello already available here. Again, going to referring the same, right? So here this is the considered scenario as a, this is the both are the string literal. I'm going to talk later about the plus is a concat operator that no, okay, this is the string constant, this is the string constant. At the compile time this going to convert it as a hello, and hello already available in the pool hello. So this hello already refer here, this also refer the same pool memory. The one things here, notice now this is the low is the another variable, low is another variable, or here hello is the another variable. Okay, so in this scenario, if you speak carefully, they are going to make a, because this is the not the you can say compile time concatenation, because this is a variable dynamic value. Dynamic value can be changed. Okay, so due to that, they are not going to concatenate at the compile time. So due to that, this scenario, if you run, they are going to the false. They are going to the false. Okay, they are going, this is the going to false. So please be aware, whenever you are going to the concat using the constant variable and the variable value, this can be changed because this is not a final. This value can be changed. Due to that, they are going to calculate at the runtime. So runtime, they are going to create another memory. We're going to talk later in the runtime what happened. They are going to the create one string object via string builder. So what happened here? Your hello is already in the pool memory. You can say hell. Hell is the here. Hell is the new hell plus low. Low is the already variable here. Okay. But due to this dynamic nature of the variable, they are going to create new object, string object inside your heap memory, and heap memory refer to this, and this is referred to pull to memory two variable pointing to the different object. And one things, whenever you can say, hey, hello, can you give me the intern? Intern means they are going to check this hello, this hello, this hello. It's available in the constant pool, in the, you can say, in the pool memory. Yes, if you are mention this intern, that means this hello point to this hello, intern also internally point to this, they can also return the heap. So here, little bit confused is going to make clear in the just wait time. Okay, so here I'm trying to convey you, whenever you are doing the concatenation using the constant variable and the dynamic variable, this value can be changed. So at the runtime, they are going to use the string builder for your hello, and then append low, and then create one new string object. That's due to that they are going to create new object. Whenever you can say intern is the API that go refer to the pool memory, and pool memory hello is already exists, due to that they are also become a true. So let's go understand the detailed scenario. So what till now cover? We cover like string literals in the same class and the package refer the same in string pool. Okay, even the string literals in the different classes in the same package still refer the same string object. Okay, even the string literals in the different class in the different package still refer the same string pool. So you are trying to say this is the one package, this is another package. If you are creating the same string literal, same string layer, but both are going to the store in the pool memory, and pool memory refer to the same for the both. And whenever you are going to concate, means you are going to do plus, the constant expression that's are computed in the compile time. Here say your hello plus low. You are compiling the both at the compile time. This is the both are constant. They are also treated as the same literals. So in this case, also you are getting the same out. Only string computed and concatenated at the runtime. Runtime, new string object created. Due to that, they are become a different. But on the you want to explicitly refer to the string, explicitly in turn the same string computed in the string pool. Okay, this is the scenario. Lots of permutation combination you can do, but understand these kind of a key concept. What the behind the scene? First things, whatever in the double quote you are string you are writing, right? Writing. This is the immutable. That means you cannot change. That means this variable compiler can freely share to the different variable, different, even the same variable in the class 1 in the different class, different package. If the same literals, they can easily share, because these are the immutable, constant, cannot be changed. If this variable refer variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, because this cannot be changed, this can be shareable. So string is the immutable constant object that cannot be changed, so it is the shareable object. Due to that, these are going to store in a specific pool memory, specific in a pool memory. Pool memory is the unique constant value storage. Is here they can store only one time one constant value that can be shareable. Okay, so string pool is the special memory. Logically, it is the part of your Java method area. Okay, you can say, and that's maintain the unique string literal. So in the pool memory, all the string literals are stored, but unique, no duplicate. That means why? Because unique, this is the constant, this is unchangeable, unmodifiable, that can be shareable. And whenever you are going to the create Java object using this constructor, this object going to the create in another pool memory than a heap memory. So whenever this is the pool memory and this is the heap memory, whenever we're going to create object in a heap memory, this references and this references both are the pointing to different memory location. Due to that, the double equal to operator always take a false. If you want to refer the actual pool variable, you can use the enter. Okay. Let's talk a little bit here. So you should be clear. A string is a very special class. Due to that, JVM Java community is given a special memory for it. That is known as a pool memory. This is a part of the Java method area, and this pool memory have a one feature that only store unique string literal. That string literal is the constant immutable that can be shareable. So again, let's one more example here. Let's okay. So let's understand one more time. So again, we have a two kind of memory. One is a string pool memory. Okay, are unique string literal pool memory. One is the heap heap memory. Okay, that is the heap memory is for creating the object. This is for the string literal. So whatever the string literals you are creating, that is going to be the part of your. So here notice we have created a string variable here. So this is the you can create the new string object that is going to store in the your heap memory here. They are going to the S1 pointing to this hello. Okay. Here say S2 hello. Hello here going to the hello. Hello is this. This is pointing to the S2 variable. S3 also pointing to the same variable because the same content hello already exists, but both are referring to the same. If you say S1 and S2 refer to the same, S1 refer to the heap memory, S2 refer to the this memory. But they are not same, so this is going to the always false. Now S2 and S3, S2 refer to this memory, S2 refer to this, and S3 also refer to this. Same memory references, both are the pool memory, they are saying true. But what happens if S1 equals S2? So S1 is this. What is the value of here? Hello. And S2 refer to this. What is the value of hello? Both are the equal, then say it is a true. They are check the content. But you say S4 say new string hello, new string hello, new string hello, already new string hello, again new object going to the created hello. This is the hello. You can say intern. That means the string literals go to the check hello. Already hello I have, yes, already I have. They same references return to them. So S2 and S2 refer to this, S4 also refer to this. In this scenario, in this string going to the pool memory, whenever say intern means they are going to the go to the pool memory and check if there is any existence of hello. If yes, then return those one, else the new going to the created. So from heap memory, content can go to the pool memory. If you want to make the equal comparison, if you want. So these are the, if you run it's if you run it will say this is the false, true, because here S1 is the heap memory, S2 is the pool memory. Both objects refer to the two different objects. Due to that they are in the S1 S1 is this, S1 is this, this is the new hello string. That means they are part of your heap memory. This is the object hello, and S2 is this. This is the string literal. This is the hello here, and due to that, this is the where, and this is this. They are referred to two different locations. Due to that's false, and these are the all other. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about the string concatenation, because this concatenation work at the two times, at the compile time and at the runtime. So whenever you say string hello plus word, so this is the string literal, this is the string literal, both are go to the string pool. So here, what the compiler do for the optimization, a code optimization, whenever code going to compile, code say, hey, this is the hello, this is the world. So they are not going to create here hello, one object, and word, another object, and then plus and create a hello world. This is the way not clear. So what the compiler did here, compiler say, hey, I going to optimize this code at the compile time I make this code. So in this heap memory, only one object, hello world, is going to be created by us. So in our Java code, I written this word, but once your code is compiled, compiler is doing some level of optimization and make only one string pool object. Be careful. Here only one hello world object going to the create in the pool memory for S variable. So this is the compile time, compiler do optimization. Why? Because compiler know string is a constant and shareable, and sometimes you are doing the runtime variable. So what happened? This is the S1 variable, S2 variable. Here you can say S1 plus S2, because this is the variable S1 and S2. Value S1 and S2 can be changed because this is not final variable. This is not final variable, not a constant. So here our compiler know this two concate happen S1 and S2, but with the help of variable. This variable can be changed. So what internally Java are going to do, going to use the string builder. They are going to create a string builder object and first append S1, then append S2, and then create the one S3 object. So internally, notice the object 1 and object 2 created for that. This new keywords always object going to the create in the heap memory. So here hello world object going to the create in the heap memory. One thing. So here both variables are the both operator of the left and right side are the variables. So in this case, they are going to the string builder. Sometime might be used to runtime with mix literal plus variable. Might be case you can say S1 is the variable, but this is the constant. If this is a constant, this is literal. Same Java compiler internally use the string builder, because any in this concat operation, any one is the variable, then our Java compiler go and use the string builder to make this string object. So due to that, always they are going to the create new object. So whenever you are using the plus as a concat operation, please be careful. Look what is the left side and what is the right side. Both are the constant. Both are the constant. Both are the string literal. Then at the compile time they are concatenated. But any one is the variable name. At that time they are going to the runtime concatenation. And runtime they are going to use the string builder to make the string object. Right? Due to that, these are going to the create new object in the heap. Okay. So sometime you can also do string concatenation in the concat method. Okay. So concat method. So plus the plus concatenation is the very you can say handy, means you can even do concatenation using the plus operator, maybe integer, float, character, everything is to automatically convert in a string. But if you are using the concat method, they required left hand and right hand, both must be string. If that's something you can try to this way, a string concat the number, it's compile time error. Okay, so here, so let us a string s1. Okay, hello. Here you're trying to say s out. Let a string s2 s2 equal to here. Here, if you try to add 5, okay, so compiler is very happy because plus operator know this is a string, they can also automatically convert to the string. But similar thing, let's try to say s1 dot concat and try to add the 4. Okay, so here our compiler is not happy because concat in the method they are expecting you this string, this is also a string, but here is the 4 is the integer number or any character. So in short, whenever you are going to use the concat, please be aware left and right, whatever the argument you are passing, that must be string, else you are getting the compile time error. But the plus is the automatically convert the integer or character or float or long value to the string automatically. So this is the actually power of your plus as a operator. Even they are doing lots of optimization whenever you are compiling the code, right? So here the same thing I can do, and whenever you can say concat create a new string object in a heap. One thing notice, many times this is the things, this memory can be created on the pool because this is the constant value, this is the constant value. But whenever you can create this way, they always create object in the heap memory. They always create the object in the heap memory, be clear. So string literal, this value can be created in the pool memory. But the concat, whatever the result they returns, they are internally create one the object, heap object in the heap memory, new object. So be carefully, this concat is always create new string object in the heap memory, and the concat required both operand must be string. But this is not the case of your string concat operator. So please be aware. Okay, so let's understand where this is the plus operator here and the concat method. So here type flexibility means they are handle, means the plus operator can handle integer, float, double automatically as a string. But in the case concat, they are not support any other type. Only strings you can pass here. Here compile time optimization. Yes, if any string literals are a constant, they are going to the compile time optimizations and they are going to store in the pool memory. This is not the such case in the concat methods. Runtime behavior. Okay, if any plus operator going to check any dynamic variable, they are using the string builder to create the object. But here in the concat, the many number of times concat always create the new string in the heap object. And here interning can be refer, whenever you can say inter method, they may be move your content to the pull memory, but here not pulled automatically. So whenever you can say concat, they are not going to the place your content in the pool memory. But in the case of plus operator, it is automatically they are going to the move your content in the string pool memory. Okay, so lots of options you have, but look like the plus is the more dynamic, more flexible, can be optimized. So in short, you can say, till now we have learned you can create a string multiple way. One using the direct string literal. Another is the explicitly you can go create new string object. This way. And third way, just create is a string builder, append, and then two strings. So there are a couple of way. The one is the string builder, one is the new also concept, string buffer. String buffer is also very old legacy classes. You can also use the string buffer as well as. So one more option you can say string buffer as well as you can see. But mostly nowadays we prefer to write code in the string builder. If required, you want to dynamically append the some string literals. Okay, so let's little bit talk about the string literals. If whenever you can say double quote ABC, they are going to place in the string pool memory. Okay, because next time someone going to the create again ABC, it's already in the pool, they are going to the reuse. So once in the pool memory, one object created for the ABC, next time you're going to create, always going to reuse because this is the constant and shareable, so that can be saved. There is a no new object going created in the heap. So there is a no new object going to the create in the heap in the case of string literal. When you want to memory efficiency, then you can use, because they are going to reuse. And this is a very ideal for the constant and frequently string, like a multiple string you have, so you can use the string literal. And second way about the explicit object creation. So here ABC checked in the pool if already not created, and then new string object created in the heap, even though the content in the same. So notice here ABC is going to create in the here example, they are going to create in the ABC in the pool memory. Here new string object, they are going to create one more object in the heap memory as well as. So here heap memory and the here pool memory. So whenever you are going to the create object, so you need to distinct object for the identity check and the synchronization. Sometime why need pool memory as well as your heap memory? Due to the object identity. So sometime whenever you want to create here, you ensure that your object identity and some kind of a synchronization scenario where you want to ensure that the, because this object is the shareable, this is the share by the multiple thread, multiple variable. Okay, so sometime you want to your synchronization can be limited object, that says heap object in the scenario may help us to use the same content right now. So unnecessary, you can say not memory efficient, and avoid unnecessary. So this kind of object creation, like new this, if possible, you can avoid. If possible, you can avoid. If really you need it for the identity check and a kind of synchronization work, then you can go create new string ABC. Else, always go with a string literal. That's a very efficient way to create the string object in this Java. And the last you can say is the string builder or buffer. A string buffer are the very synchronized kind of thing. String builder are the more latest API. So if you have a string ABC literal, if not, they are always good in the pool. String builder create a mutable object in the heap, and two string again create a new object in the pool. So somehow, whenever you want to build the string dynamically, the sometime you want to make a very bigger string that's maybe in the loop or maybe complex concatenation. That scenario, you are in the string builder. But more efficient way, if possible, you can use the plus repeatedly if all strings are the constants. Okay, so if possible, you can use the plus repeatedly if all are the your inputs are the constant. If something variable dynamically, even these string builders are used by your runtime Java compiler. Okay, so these are different way string builder or string buffer you can use. But the summary is that string literals is the always very powerful for uh, concretation of strings. But depend upon the situation, you can use the a new string object or builder with a builder create the mutable object, they create the immutable object, and string pools is the very frequently use the way to write your code. So whatever the things today I talk, everything you can check out from this specifications, like whatever the Java runtime environment. You can see this is the Java language standard JDK development specification, and here you click the Java language specification. Just click here, and you this will open your complete Java language specification. And here, whatever the things we can string literals, whatever I learn and talk here, everything come from this website. Website means this is the Java official documentation. So whatever things you want to really learn, that's go with always the official website, the language. So and whatever the things today I talk, that's come from Oracle official website. That is the Java language specification. What the Java language tell about the string, you can search here, and everything we talk about the string class, about the string literal, about the string content, about the concatenation, everything, whatever the here, you can go and read out in the detail. Okay, and similarly, if you want to learn the Java Unicode, this is the Unicode website. This is the official website of your universal coder kind of official website. Here you can click here, and you get this is the official website that support the that assign the uni number for every script. Script means written symbol for different language, different scripts. Okay, all the scripts they support. And you want to understand more detail about the character encoding, like UTF-8, UTF uh, 32, 60-bit, everything you can find more detail here. So this, whatever the contents I presented today, that's come from these references. Uh, if you want to get more detail, that this is my humble request, you check out these official references, and you get more confidence when you read from yourself. This is the fact, this is the truth. You, whenever I am just talking to you one way, but whenever you go read these references, and then you found what are the suitable things about the Java string, Java literal, code point, code unit, everything in character encoding, that's give you the confidence. You feel more confidence on this topic. So that is the point for today I have, and I hope this information give you very little bit idea about the Java language specific feature string. That Java language support almost all the major language in the form of string. The string in the Java is not just for the English alphabet or a number system. String is the sequence of Unicode point. That's Unicode point is the standard code that's used for the almost all the major languages. Hope this information is helpful for you. Thank you.